How to pay with Revolut on phone step by step 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can pay with Revolut on your phone. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to start off your Revolut. And once your Revolut has been turned on, what's going to happen from here on out is you are simply going to go over to the sending option. Okay. So from here, once things have loaded in, simply from here, what you're going to be doing is you're going to go over to the details section. And what you can do is you can actually do payments to other people on Revolut. But do keep this in mind that the other people on Revolut that you want to send a payment to need to be in your contacts, okay? So to pay with Revolut on your phone, simply go ahead, add a contact. It could be a Revolut friend, it could be a bank recipient, or it could be a group. You can also send it internationally, create a payment link for yourself, and a whole lot more. So let's say I want to send it to a friend of mine. So I'm going to go ahead, make sure, check to see if they are on Revolut. Now, if they are on Revolut, I'm simply going to create a payment transaction link. If they're not on Revolut, that's not an issue. What I can do is I can send it directly to their bank account or send it internationally if I want to. Now, obviously, that's going to depend on me on which alias or which way I want to achieve that for myself. So simply do it again, go to payments, go ahead and click on the plus icon. And once we do that, we're simply going to go ahead and add bank recipient, add in their details, and just make the payment. And that is how you're going to be paying with Revolut on your phone in the easiest way. So thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.